Vision Forward's In Focus team presents.
Hi, I'm Corey Ballard and welcome back to another In Focus Tech Demo. Today's tech demo is on a smartphone app, Aira. We release new videos every Friday, so please subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Today's app is pretty cool. Aira is a visual interpreter service that works on either your iPhone or Android-based smartphone. What is a visual interpreter service? That's a great question. So basically what Aira allows you to do is using your smartphone, you connect to a live agent who gets access to your camera, so they get a live video feed, and you have full audio so that you can speak with that agent. And that agent can provide instructions, directions, or help you accomplish any task that you have that you are trying to complete. What do you need in order to use Aira? Well, first you do need that smartphone, either an iPhone or an Android-based phone. You're going to need to download that Aira app, and you're also going to need connectivity, either Wi-Fi, which is typically recommended, or LTE mobile data. So first we need to install that Aira app onto our device. Now the way you'll do that is the same for any app. So if you are on an iPhone, you're going to head to the Apple App Store, do a search for Aira, A-I-R-A. If you're using an Android phone, go ahead and head to the Google Play Store and search for Aira. Once you have downloaded that app and it's installed, then the next step is launching the app and creating a free guest account. Now, before we do that though, let's talk about what Aira, how you can use it. So first, it is a subscription-based service, so you can pay a monthly fee, and there are different tiers, so the more money you spend per month, the more minutes that you can access Aira. Or Aira has also given you the ability to access the service in really two ways for free. One is through Aira Access locations. That's where a business or a location signs up for Aira, pays for the minutes, and then whenever you are inside that geofence or inside their location, you're going to connect to Aira and use their minutes, so it won't cost you anything. Second, you can use, with that free guest account, you can connect to Aira for 5 minutes or less. So you can connect to an agent, work with that agent for 5 minutes or less. At the end of that 5 minutes, your call will be disconnected, but you can always reconnect to another agent. So that's two ways that you can use this service free of charge. We have our Aira app installed on our phone. Now let's create that free guest account so we can start using the device. In this demonstration, I am on an iPhone and I am using VoiceOver, the built-in screen reader provided by iOS. Let's go ahead and use Siri and launch Aira. Open Aira.
Aira.
We've launched the app, and the first thing we need to do is create that free guest account. It's going to ask you for your phone number. We're going to type in our phone number, and then it's going to text us a 4-digit verification code. So I'm going to go ahead and swipe right since I'm using VoiceOver, and let's find that text field where we'll put in our mobile number.
Connecting you to real people instantly to simplify daily life. Watch video. Button. Ready to use Aira for free? Country code. United States. +1. Mobile number. Text field.
And there is our text field. We'll double tap with one finger.
Text field.
Our keyboard has now popped up, so we'll go ahead and put in our phone number.
4 4 1 1 1 4 4 4 4 0 0 3 3 8 8 4 4 7 7 9 4 1.
Now that we've put in our phone number, we're going to tap the continue button. And remember, as soon as we tap that continue button, a new screen is going to pop up asking us to enter the 4-digit verification code. That code will be texted to us, so we'll pop into our Messages app and grab that code. So let's tap continue.
1. Continue. Button. Continue. Dimmed. Verification code. Text field. Messages.
And I just received my message. I'll pop into my Messages app, open Messages.
Messages. Edit. Button.
And let's find that verification
Double tap.
code.
441 54. Unread. Your error code is 1004. News. Now. 441 54. Unread. Your error code is 1438.
So it's 1438. We'll go back to our Aira app. Open Aira.
Aira. Back button.
We'll go ahead and swipe right and find that verification edit box.
Verify your number. Heading. Enter the 4-digit code texted to you at 41. Verification code. Text field. Insertion point at end.
We double tapped, the keyboard popped up, and we'll put in our code.
1 1 4 4 3 3 8. Success. Help. Button.
And we heard success, and it went ahead right away and logged us into the Aira app. So we're now at the main Aira app. Now, that process of putting in your phone number and verification code, you typically only need to do that once when you create your account. Now, on the main screen here of Aira, there's a couple different things, a number of different options, and we're really only interested in two at this point. First one we're going to take a look at is dead center, a big button right in the middle of the screen called Call Aira Agent for Free.
Call Aira for free. From phone. Button.
That's going to allow us to
Double
go
tap.
ahead and connect to a live agent. Now, before we do that, though, there is one other section of this app that is important, and that is the promotions option. We are a Aira Access location here at Vision Forward Association, and so there's a very good chance that our app already sees that we're here at a free access location and probably has applied that access location promotion. But I also know that there are other promotions here in the Milwaukee area, and one specific one is the Milwaukee County Transit System. The Milwaukee County Transit System has partnered with Aira to provide free Aira service to any transit rider here in Milwaukee County. Well, what does that mean? That means free of charge, you can connect to an Aira agent at your house, get directions to the closest bus stop. They can assist in giving you directions onto the bus, ensure that the seat you're about to sit in is empty. They can sit with you and stay connected throughout that bus ride, ensuring that you get off at the right stop. Once you get off the stop, they can then provide directions to your final destination. All of that is free through the Milwaukee County Transit System promotion. So that is a promotion that we want to look at right now. So what I'm going to do is right from the Call Aira for Free button, I'm going to go ahead and swipe left.
Free offer applied. Site. Vision Forward Association. Button.
And I see that indeed I am connected to the Vision Forward promotion, but I want to change that. So I'm going to double tap.
Free offer. Close. Button.
We'll swipe right.
Vision Forward Association. Heading. A free offer is automatically applied to your next call when you browse other offers. Button.
And we want to browse other offers.
Call Aira. Cancel. Button.
I now have a screen that lists both my recent promotions that I've connected to and the categories of other promotions. And we are looking for the option called Products.
Locations. Products. Tasks that involve.
We'll go ahead and double tap.
Product. Free access offered.
I now have a list of all of the products, and we're looking for Milwaukee County Transit System.
Milwaukee County Transit System. Milwaukee County.
I can go ahead and double tap with one finger. From that screen, I can go ahead and swipe to the Apply Offer button, double tap with one finger, and I will then apply the Milwaukee County Transit System promotion. Now, if that seems like it might be a little confusing and a number of steps, don't worry. You can connect to that promotion by just connecting with a live agent right from that main screen. And as soon as you connect to the agent, let them know the promotion that you would like to take part in. So you can connect to an agent. As soon as they connect, you go ahead and tell them that you want to be under the promotion for Milwaukee County Transit System. We've got our Aira app open. We are ready to catch the bus to head home. The first thing we need to do is find that Call Aira for Free button right in dead center and connect to our agent.
Call Aira for free from phone. Call Aira. Calling agent.
Hi, Corey. Hi,
Ashley.
What would you do today?
Hi, Ashley. How are you doing?
Wonderful. How are you?
I'm doing well. I am going to catch the 64 northbound bus, and I know it's on the corner of Hawley and Wells. I'm inside Vision Forward right now, and I'm just going to get you to give me some directions out of the exit, and then we'll go find the bus stop. So I think the exit is straight ahead of us, if I'm not mistaken.
Yep, it looks like you are correct. So if you would like, you could begin walking forward in the direction your camera is facing.
Perfect.
Great. All right, it looks like you're passing a little vending machine area on your right and some doors on your left. You're passing a water fountain on your right and some more office doors on your left here. Straight ahead, in about 5 feet, you will reach the exit door.
Perfect. There
And
we
it
go.
looks like on your right there is a handle.
Thank you. The Aira app is a great way to get visual assistance when needed. That ability to connect to an agent, having them see through your camera and talking to them really provides a new level of independence and assistance. If you have any questions about the Aira app or any of the Aira Access location promotions, especially with the Milwaukee County Transit System, feel free to give us a call at 414-615-0103 or give us an email at infocus@vision-forward.org or check us out online, vision-forward.org. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. We launch new video. We don't launch them. No, we don't. Fire! That would be a torpedo.